This video is to show you a software package called Starry Night. So I've started it up, I've set my home position to be Melbourne, Australia, and when you run it you'll get a shot like this. It's 20 past 6 in the afternoon, it's light outside, so therefore the sun is washing out any few of the stars. Quite a useful package because I can go up to here and I can turn the sun's light off, and then we can see all the stars. So if I was able to do that, I could go outside and this is what I would see. So a few of the controls that we get with this program: we can push N, which spins us around and has a look to the north, or we can S, move us around to the south. So there's a few things we can do here. So one of the guides I can turn on is the ecliptic. Now remember, we have all of the planets, moons, and the sun is on the same plane because our solar system is more like a plate or a saucer, and everything's roughly on the same plane. So if I now move around, so I'm looking to the north, I can see this green line, which is the ecliptic. So you've probably realised, hey look, there's the sun, oh, there's the moon, they're going to be on the ecliptic as well. But let's just turn on our labels. So let's do all of our labels, and we'll see that there's a little dot here which is Mercury, that is also on the ecliptic. Pluto is way out here, that's just off the ecliptic a little bit. And if we scroll around here, there's the moon again, there's Neptune, Uranus, and that's all the planets that are up at this moment. If I wanted to scroll ahead and see what the view would be like tonight, I can push this play button. So I'm going to push play, let's see what happens. We can see that later on that Jupiter is going to be up, so about 9:30, 10 o'clock tonight. If I had a nice telescope, I'd be able to go and look in the northeasterly direction and see that Jupiter had come up. The other thing I'd like to show you is that if we now look south and I push play again, we can see that that motion of the stars, and it looks like the motion is with all the stars moving clockwise about a point roughly in the middle of the sky there, about where the cursor is. If we were in the northern hemisphere, there's actually a star, the North Star, would actually be right in that position, but we don't have anything in the southern hemisphere at that south celestial pole.